everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be cooking up some pork spare ribs in the oven. Low and slow. Stick around. So I'm going to be cooking up some pork ribs, baby backs, in the oven. And we're going to cook them low and slow. It's going to take about three hours or so to get these cooked up. I know I did a cook's faux pas, but you know what? I always like to kind of give the meat a little bit of a rinse just to kind of get whatever grimy stuff's on there. And, you know, then pat them dry. And then we're going to throw some seasoning on here. One of the things I like to do is I pat them dry on both sides. Some people will like to remove the membrane that's on the back side of them. That back membrane here. You know, personally, it's a personal thing. Whether you do or you don't, it's up to you. Totally up to you. So, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to mix, I have some onion soup mix here. And I'm just going to toss this around. I'm going to mix this up really well. I'm just going to mix it up and just kind of sprinkle it on my ribs. I'm going to throw some other spices and seasonings on there too, but this is just a start. I like the flavoring of it, so that's one of the reasons why I use it. Just sprinkle it on there because it has other spices in it like cumin and garlic and paprika and all that stuff. I am going to throw in some paprika on here. Sprinkle that on. And I am going to sprinkle on some garlic, just because I like garlic. Give it a nice rub down, pat it down on there. Now you notice I haven't seasoned the back of these, but that's okay because what's going to happen is these are actually cooking on this pan that's got a little bit of a lip to it, and I'm going to cover them up, and the juices are going to form, and that's going to cook the underside really well. So now this is heavy duty foil. Make sure it's nice and tight. Just one more right on top of that lip. Go. I'm going to cook this in a 235 degree oven for about 3 hours. I just took these out of the oven. Now they've been cooking for just about 3 hours at 235 degrees. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to let these rest for just about 20 minutes. Then I'm going to coat the top of them with some barbecue sauce. I'm going to cook them underneath my broiler for 7 to 8 minutes until they get a nice char on the top of them, and then they will be ready to serve. I gotta tell you, and they smell delicious. It's been about 20 minutes, so let's just open this up, shall we? Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. Suspense is killing me. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Doesn't that smell amazing? Look amazing. Look at that. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Oh my God, it looks so good. It smells amazing. Okay, we're not done yet. We aren't done yet. What we're going to do now is we're going to put some barbecue sauce on the top of it. Turn the broiler on. We're going to cook it underneath the broiler for about 7 to 8 minutes just to get some browning and some a little goodness on top of that, and we will be done. Okay, so we're going to take our barbecue sauce. We're just going to pour over the top of this. We got the broiler on right now. Smooth that over. Oh my gosh. Now, what I'm going to do is I have the broiler on. And I'm going to, and it's on the top, the very top rack. And I'm just going to take my pan and just throw those underneath the burners there. Close it up. Just a few minutes on one side. I'm going to turn it around and rotate it. And just a few more minutes. It'll be done. They've been under the broiler. I did about 5 minutes, and then I rotated them. I did about 5 more minutes, and then I rotated them, and I just finished another 5 minutes after the third rotation. Be very careful when you take these out of the oven because they are hot. They are very, very, very hot. Very, 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 very hot. You don't want to burn yourself. Oh, be very careful. Oh, doesn't that look good? Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I'm just going to set these right over here. Be very careful. They're very, very, very hot. All right. Now, I'm going to let these rest for just a few more minutes, and then I'm going to dig into them. Fresh out of the oven. Look at that. Oh, they're steaming. Okay, they're going to rest. They're going to rest just a few more minutes. And then I'm digging in. Now, I just covered them for just a little cover, not a tight cover. Just a little cover. And I'm going to set my timer here for about 15 minutes. Let them rest. Let them do their thing. Let them get nice and happy. Time is up. Can't wait. All right. Doesn't that just look so delicious? It just looks so good. So good. Okay, I'm going to take just one of these here. And I'm just going to slice just one little bitty rib. Just like so. Just so you could see. Oops. Of the meat. Now look at that. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Okay, no more teasing ya. Let's just try this, shall we? Slow and low pork ribs in the oven. Oh, man. Those are good. So tasty. So delicious. So tender. Finger looking good. Oh my gosh. Oh, so good. That's so good. Okay, guys. I amaze myself sometimes. Wow. That's really good. Really good. All right. Slow and low. Oven cooked barbecued ribs. Pork ribs. Baby backs. You can't beat it. All right. That's it for me today. Thanks for watching. Be safe, be well, and be kind. We'll see you later. Bye-bye. Oh my God, this is so good.